The poorest president in the world found in Uruguay, named Jose Mojica. He is the poorest president in the world. Why? Because 90% of his income dinodonate niya sa mga tao. Itinutulong niya sa mga tao. Yung pension niya, hindi niya kinukuha, ibinibigay niya sa ibang tao. And what he did, bumili siya na, pwede naman siya makabili ng jet. But instead na bumili siya ng jet, bumili siya ng advance ng helicopter na may advanced medical system na kung saan pwedeng makatulong sa mas marami. At during his time, he cut, napababa niya yung percentage ng unemployment. And sabi niya, well, maybe see me. Well, people maybe see me as the poorest president in the world. But it's okay. I'm happy to help other people. For me, those poorest person is the persons who in the position, who making themselves rich in the expense of other people, pero hindi sila nakakontento. They use their positions to get power, to get more income, and to make themselves rich. But for me, I'm okay that 90% of my income is given to a lot of people to help them. And that is important to me. Money is not for me. For me, 90% of my income is for other people. It's for the greater good of all dynamic I all concern. And that is Mojica all about. That is the principle and the greatest purpose of Mojica, to help a lot of people. It's okay na wala siyang income. It's okay na konti lang yung income niya. It's okay na kung tawagin siya the poorest president. It's okay. But for himself, I do my best to help a lot of people. And that is the poorest president in the world, called Jose Mojica. Hope in this story, you learn a lot. And I think this is the greatest story that we can share to everybody. Because most of the people wanted to get more or wanted to have more income. But his story created a big impact in the society. Because for him, helping is a lot. Helping a lot of dynamic is important. And that is ruled by Jose Mojica. And hope this simple story will learn a lot. Thank you everyone, and God bless.